Hello everyone, welcome to solve this math Olympiad algebra problem, and here we have m to the power of 6 equals to 2 to the power of 6, and we solve this problem for the values of m. So here we move this 2 to the power of 6 in the left hand side, and it is written as m to the power of 6 minus 2 to the power of 6 equals to 0. And now in the next step, here we rewrite this equation as m cubed and its whole square minus we write this as 2 cubed and its whole square equals to 0. And here further we use the nice square identity, and you know about this identity. If we have a square minus b square, it is equals to a minus b times of a plus b. Here we use this nice square identity to the above equation, so that our above equation is written as m cubed minus 2 cubed into m cubed plus 2 cubed equals to 0. And now in the next step, here we convert this into the two cases, so that our first case is we take m cubed minus 2 cubed equals to 0, and we call this is our equation number 1. And we take m cubed plus 2 cubed equals to 0, and we call this is our equation number 2. So here we focus on equation number 1 and equation number 2, and first we solve equation number 1. So from equation number 1 we have m cubed minus 2 cubed equals to 0. So here we use the nice cubic formula, and you know about this formula. If we have a cubed minus b cubed, it is equals to a minus b times of a square plus ab plus b square. Here we use this is nice cubic formula to the above equation. So after applying this formula, our above equation is written as in this form: m minus 2 times of m square plus ab. So our a is m and b is 2, and plus b square, so b is 2 square, and this whole equation equals to 0. So here we need some simplifications, and we write it as m minus 2 times of m square plus 2m plus this 2 square equals to 4, and this whole equation equals to 0. So here we divide this equation into the two cases. So the first case is we take m minus 2 equals to 0, and the second case is we take m square plus 2m plus 4 equals to 0. So from first case we easily get the value of m equals to 2, and here we have the nice quadratic equation, so that we use the quadratic formula in order to solve this quadratic equation. So first we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to 2, and c equals to 4. So here we write the quadratic formula is m equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. And here we put the values of a, b and c in this formula, and it is written as minus 2 plus minus square root of b square. So b is 2 square, minus 4 times of a is 1, and c is 4, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and our a is 1. And now in the next step, here we need more simplifications, and we write it as minus 2 plus minus square root of 2 square is 4, and 4 times of 4 is 16, and it is divided by 2 times of 1 is 2. So here we have m equals to minus 2 plus minus square root of 4 minus 16 is minus 12, and it is divided by 2. And now in the next step, here we rewrite this equation as minus 2 plus minus, we write this 12 as 4 times of 3, and we write the square root of minus 1, and this is divided by 2. So here we just separate this fraction, and we write it as minus 2 over 2 plus minus. Here we know that square root of 4 is 2 into square root of 3, and minus 1 square root equals to iota, and it is divided by 2. So after cancellation we get minus 1 plus minus square root of 3 into iota. So these are the two complex roots of the given equation. So from first case we get these three roots of the given equation, and now we move towards our second equation. So that here first we copy down our second equation. So from equation number 2 we have m cubed plus 2 cubed equals to 0. So here we again use the nice cubic formula, and you know about this formula. It is written as a cubed plus b cubed equals to a plus b times of a square minus ab plus b square. Here we use this nice formula in order to solve the above equation. So now we apply this formula. So after applying this formula, our above equation is written as m plus 2 times of m square minus ab. So our a is m and b is 2 plus b square. So b is 2 square, and this whole equation equals to 0. So here again we convert this into the two cases. So that our first case is we take m plus 2 equals to 0, and the second case is we take m square minus 2m plus 4 equals to 0. So from here we easily get the value of m equals to minus 2, and from here we need to make the we use the quadratic formula in order to solve this equation. So first we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to minus 2, and c equals to 4. So here we use the quadratic formula, and it is stated as m equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac, and it is divided by 2 times of a. So now we substitute the values of a, b and c here, and you have the value of b is minus 2 plus minus square root of b square. So b is minus 2 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 4, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and our a is also 1. So here we have minus times of minus becomes 2 plus minus square root of minus 2 square is 4 minus 4 times of 4 is 16, and it is divided by 2. So here we have 2 plus minus 4 minus 16 equals to minus 12, and it is divided by 2. So here we need more simplifications, and we write it as 2 plus minus. We write this 12 as 4 times of 3, and we separately write the square root of minus 1, and it is divided by 2. So here first we break this fraction, and we take the square root of 4, and it is written as 2 over 2 plus minus 2 into square root of 3 over 2, and we know that square root of minus 1 is iota. So after cancellation we get 1 plus minus square root of 3 into iota. So these are the two complex roots of the given equation which we get from second case, and from second case we get the real root is m equals to minus 2. So these are the three roots from second case, and finally we get here the total sixth root of the given equation, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.